We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother L2395 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum unit as well as how to reset the drum counter. That way the printer knows that it's got a brand new drum inside of it and will remind you the next time it's ready to get changed. So it's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure the printer is turned on and in ready state. So it should be on your regular menu. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to lower this front door here. There's a little notch on each side, so you can just put your fingers in those little notches and just lower this front cover here. Then if you look in the front, you'll see a handle right in the middle. We're just going to grab that handle and we're going to lift up and pull straight out. And what happens is we're actually removing the drum unit, and then the toner unit is actually installed inside of the drum unit. So now we need to remove the toner from the drum and separate the two. So there's a little green tab on the left side. You're going to push down on that little green tab, and you're just going to lift and rotate the toner from straight out of the drum. So we're going to set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. And now we're left with our used drum. So it's a really simple process to remove it. Now all we got to do is install the new one. So once you have your new drum unpacked and ready to go, you're going to set it down on a clean, dry, flat surface. We need to install our toner into it, so we're going to grab our toner. We're going to put our toner into our new drum, pushing down to make sure it clicks down all the way into place. And then anytime you change the toner or you change the drum, I always recommend using this little drum sweep at the very top. And so what you're going to want to do is just grab this and slide it all the way across the full length of the drum 2 or 3 times. And then the most important thing is, if you look at the top here, you'll notice that there's a little arrow on it, and there's also a little arrow on and next to it. So it's very important to make sure that the 2 arrows are pointing at each other when you're done with it. If you leave this anywhere that's where it's not supposed to be, it's going to cause defects on your printouts. So it's very important that it's docked all the way over to the side, again where the 2 arrows are pointing at each other. Now once you've done that, we're going to reinstall the drum and toner back inside the printer. So you're just going to slide it in, firmly push it all the way in so that it clicks down into place. And we're going to close the front cover. And then you'll give the printer a second to initialize and kind of get ready, or come back to a ready state. And now that we've replaced the drum, we need to tell the printer that there's a new drum inside of the printer. So to do that, you're going to push the red X button, and then at the bottom right hand corner there's a little button that tells you your toner life. So you're going to push the red X, and then you're going to press and hold that little toner button in the bottom right hand corner and hold it for about 5 seconds. When you do that, it's going to bring up a reset menu, and it's going to ask you, or drum. So you're just going to click drum and click yes or no. So we're going to go ahead and click yes to reset our drum, and just like that, we've replaced our drum and we've reset the drum counter. So again, the printer knows there's a brand new drum inside of there. So for one, it clears any drum errors that you've been getting or replace drum messages, and then 2, it's going to make it so that the printer reminds you again that your drum's getting low and needs to be replaced whenever that comes back around. Other than that, I hope that answers any questions you might have about the process. It's extremely simple. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with those. Also, if you find yourself needing any of the supplies for your printer, whether it be toner, drums, anything like that, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help try to provide that for you. And we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.